Ghetto Child, you know the name, you know the game. Watch out, cause I'm coming at you.
I live my life as a humble individual, even as a criminal, when it gets critical. You say you know how I feel, it get real, cause all I've got is my black skin and my black steel. And oh yeah, I've got some funky ass raps. I write a verse to rehearse and make another smooth track. Rockin' ya, shocking ya, punks I be dropping ya. I got no time for that shit that you be poppin'. I be kicking niggas paragraphs and verses, and checking all my niggas who be leaving their hearses. Yo, I've done tours, fought wars in the ghetto. It's something like death row, the mind won't let go. How can I care for you if you don't care for me? Why should I fear you if you don't fear me? So when you see me pass, don't ask why I don't smile, bitch. Just make way for the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I be the ragamuffin, roughneck, had enough it. I think it's time for me to try and get a little something. Don't hold me back, cause it's a must that I must. And since Jah put me here, then in Jah I put my trust. Used to lose my grip, so no hope for the future. So many of my brothers all around me turned the blues. I had to keep my head straight, didn't get stuck in that trap. I knows about 6 million ways to make my pockets fat. So why should I surrender and please all my enemies? And I could be doing tours overseas. Some say it's hard to maintain, but what the heck? Respect is something that you earn, not something that you get. Lick a shot cause it's rowdy on your spot. Enough skills I got and it's reality I drop. I thought you knew that rowdy drop styles after styles after styles. So make way for the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child.
I'm bugging out cause I'm stressed. This is just one of them ways to get my anger off my chest. I can't rely on luck when I'm stuck. A nigga just don't give a fuck when I'm out to make a buck. Seems along the way I lost my grip and slipped, cause now my funky black ass cold be running from cops and shit. Hold the fuck up, stop the parade. In 1994 my niggas got to get paid. I keep the crowd under siege like a stick up. Every time I pick up the mic I gotta pick up
my nigga.
Growing up as a youngster, being broke ain't no joke, so I had to be a hustler. Nothing's gonna stop me this year. Remember me from last year, the kid that slammed the shit you wanna hear. I flex spit my style and my funky profile, so all you fools make way for the Ghetto Child.
I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child. I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew, I thought you knew about the Ghetto Child.
It's time to let these fools know, man.
Yo, it's only right.
Yeah, man, let's do this.
It's only right.
Let them know, okay? Now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Now let them know, okay? Now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here.
Just when you thought you the man, you find out you're not. Strapped to suffocate, he's back again on your spot. So y'all fake MCs, hit your corner cause it's been nice. Whoever wants to bring it on is skating on thin ice. The juice grow when you get weak with your flow. So when I'm busy on the low, I keeps it fat like Joe. Yo, Europe, team up your homies and listen. I'm coming at you with my crew, willing to die for my recognition. You're pulling on the short end of the stick. If you step to my clique, we got no rash, but we sick. So play it safe, cause it only takes 2 reps. My style is raw like vodka. prostitute without a do-rex. So now you know what's up with this. You better never fuck with this. Rap is like breathing oxygen, man, I can stop with this. Just like a groupie on top, I got it all in me. My skills are so fat, the fat boys look skinny. I move in silence if you don't see me. But kiddo, when I back again, expect for the worst to happen then. I swear, I snap next this year. Yo chicks, I go for mine like your nigga from behind.
Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here.
Now those who turn their back on me, now realize to burn their own bridges. Now me and my peeps are on this road to the riches, surrounded by horny bitches and criminals who got my back and watch my front. So there's nothing that you want. What? We in this for the love of it. This vibe so plain and simple, to stay focused in the mental. Back in the days the industry used to ignore me, but now my skills is business. They run, they break their neck for me. But I just chill and smoke my Al Capone up nonchalantly. Maintain my rep and uphold my street respect. And comes the quip when it's time to get wrecked. I resurrect the dead when I get busy on your set, and let you know I got the FLOW that's bringing trouble to the stability in your crew. I'm living fed just like your mama. They can't stand for drama. I spit on rappers like a llama. They can't do me nada, cause I'm a lyrical murderer. Cold like the winter with more balls than a food center. So all your rappers in London, France and Germany, run and tell your crew at the moment you heard of me.
Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here.
Yeah, I come from far, thirsty like an Ethiopia to quench my thirst. I'll be bucking niggas with a killer verse. I'm just as hype as day one. Game's the type of MC your crew advise you to stay away from. Cause I got mad juice in this game, and everywhere I lounge and chill, all types of heads know my name. Phony niggas be on my shit like flies cheap, but that don't surprise me cause I'm so fucking nice, B. So who the fuck you think you're testing? The hell with the mics and shit. I roll up on you and kick your chest in. The world ain't ready for me yet, but what the heck? Triple X got my back strapped, bum rusting your whole set. And raise Kane to leave the microphone burning. I keep earning props till the day the world stops turning. Now if you need me, y'all know where to find me, kids. Peace, I'm Ozzy like my ex and keep it black for the 96.
Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here. Now let them know, Kane, now let them know this year Amsterdam's got your back, you ain't alone in here.
The Southeast, you got my back.
Oh yeah, we got your back, you ain't alone in here.
The East Side, you got my back.
Oh yeah, we got your back, you ain't alone in here.
The South Block, you got my back.
Oh yeah, we got your back, you ain't alone in here.
The West Side, you got my back.
Oh yeah, we got your back, you ain't alone in here.
Skills dripping up my yeah, think you slip when you're bad. Recognize. Skills dripping up my think you slip when you're bad. Hurricane, aka Sugar Cane, coming at you for the 9-6 with my partner in crime, QF the Funky P. So there ain't nothing here yours, so what the fuck you looking at, niggas?
The incredible, lyrical, and original. 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 Every time when I be ripping
riffing, I hate punk cause he's passionate. You wouldn't last, I bet my cash on it. You get caught in my dragnet, and like a magnet, you're attracted to the style I kick. You through as while I'm rolling with a wilder click. Type of child I pick, instrumentals, fundamental rhymes I lay on. Verbs I form, adjectives are born before I bust a brainstorm. To the break of dawn, my flow will blow your speakers. I poured an operation that's a storm with baseball cap and sneakers. Yeah, 1, 2, hello, how do you do? What's happening? This is your captain, speaking, freaking raps next. I'm snapping, jacking, stomp the comp with just a mic check. Just give me the mic right back, get quite like 2 of the million strikes back. The most underrated, most underestimated. MC from the Netherlands, another master plan, I made it. Now who's the man with the master plan? My shit's so rough it makes even the faggot feel like a real man. Motherfucker, you didn't know the rule. I burn old folks' homes every day before I go to school. You thought that was sick? Go ahead and fuck with me. Supremacy, that's a luxury, so I was meant to be the incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with the incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with the incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with the incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with. Yo, the lyrics I be ripping, flipping rhymes, your little click be tripping, slipping. Every time I rhyme I kick my shit in. Lyrical outcast, lighters and bomb exploding. Kicks I'm overthrowing, blowing minds, rhymes I keep going. You thought you were safe, I just begun. I rough things with no disguise and holding hostages just for fun. Back up from the unknown when I get loose. I'm torn the walls of Jericho and make the devil pay his dues. Yeah, that's the type of shit I'm on. Me and you can get along. You really want a battle? Get on stage, let's get it on. Thoughts so, rhymes go where my thoughts go. Perfecting my skills to let my battles on force grow. You try to stop me cause you're jealous that I have brush, but yo, that shit won't work, not even if you got 12 jobs. In case you couldn't see, and but I'm European represent. Still a sneakers all on the Indonesian continent. Like what tell the fall from shorty kids. Buck wild or very naughty kids. Ripping stages outrageous the more he gets, yeah.
Who's that kid rhyming over this type of melody?
Kid supreme linguistically.
The incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with the incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with the incredible, lyrical, and original. You have been with the incredible, lyrical, and original. Incredible, lyrical, and original. Incredible, lyrical, and original. Incredible, lyrical, and original. Incredible, lyrical, and original.
Say yo, fuck stupid niggas, I'm pumping lead in your chest. Get real, cause I ain't shooting nothing. Using lyrics as bullets, I'm bucking niggas when they're bluffing. And that's right, I'm full of ammo. If you can't get what I'm saying, replay my goddamn demo. Listen up, because you might get shot. Plus the cops is coming, better leave time, you dumb hot shot. Little baby, your mama pull the trigger, cause you messed the wrong nigga, get ready to call your grave digger. Leave you cripple before you die. I'm fucking your bitch in front of you while I'm feeding your Spanish fly. So step off, get plain Charles Bronson. Take off like Carl Lewis, don't fake like Ben Johnson. I put the lines in your head straight. Act foolish and I'ma send you some rhymes on the
Don't blame it on the ill kid.
Nah.
Don't blame it on the ill rhyme.
Nah.
Don't blame it on the ill shit.
Nah.
Just blame it on the bass line.
Yo, check it, yo. I'm burning like the middle of the sun. My brains are boiling like water, my mind's running like an engine. I'm concentrated like a fucking ninja, drinking some ginger. Ginger won't help, it's getting worse. Get me an urge, bring all the hospital doctors. I'm about to explode, I'ma bust some brain boxes. Setting fire through the wires, speak like a sire. Give orders like a general with techniques you'll admire. Unique, an insane young lyrical minister. I got trapped in my mind, I'm still a prisoner. The maniac black is cousin anger. I'm thinking deep underground, so niggas surrender. This b-boy is bad and also mad. My niggas bust caps, I'm cutting ass like lumberjacks. Yeah. Don't blame it on the, don't blame it on the, don't blame it on the ill shit. Don't blame it on the, yo, don't blame it on the ill rhyme. Yo, don't blame it on the baseline. Don't blame it on the ill kid. Nah, just blame it on the ill shit. Nah, just blame it on the ill rhyme. Yeah, or blame it on the baseline. Check it, yo. 90-95 and counting bullshit raps to get your paperwork done, or rush your ass to get smacked. Prepare your voice to make underground noise from my boys. Strictly raw music, let the mic be winning your choice. Check it, get a bassline rolling, put on a low drama, back it up with some snares and let the sample roll under. Unique, I'm getting deep, letting my mind speak. If you can't understand, you're just a weak freak. Bumba glad, yo, I'm ready to bum rush the stage, leaving the mic burning, making the rampage. Yeah, Unique stands for mental abuse and get your mind messed up. I'm making a brain confusion. So get the fuck ready, I'm gonna mass slaughter. You're bleeding, I'm cutting your ass like Freddy. Cause my rhymes are solid like steel. I also got the lyrical sound waves and my voice from real deal. So when you crack the code, my skills will unload. While like a child, bust the captains on the road. Known for killing MCs, yeah, that's my trademark. My rhymes are scarier than the dinosaurs in Jurassic Park.
Don't blame it on the ill kid.
Nah.
Don't blame it on the ill shit.
Nah.
Don't blame it on the ill rhyme.
Nah.
Just blame it on the baseline.
Baseline.
Don't blame it on the ill kid.
Nah.
Don't blame it on the ill shit.
I won't.
Don't blame it on the ill rhyme.
Word up.
Just blame it on the baseline.
Baseline freaking in your motherfucking ears. Word up. 90-95 and counting bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Down my nigga shy, we be busting it like that.
Yeah.
Straight from Rotterdam, my nigga from Harlem, you know what I'm saying? We be busting straight facts. For your ill drums to get smacked. Ill motherfucking rhymes, but don't blame it on the rhymes, just blame it on the baseline.
Blame it on the baseline.
Word up, yo mom, we finished, man. This cut is finished. Word up.
So maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
So maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
So maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
I'm wrecking shit on.
Hey yo, hey man, wait a second, yo, break it down, nigga.
Non-comedians, Afro, black man invented old music, and we make use of it. As it supports one of the brain relief and types of track. The course stole the D-rack. You never get wealthy than the ones the A, the B. We rouse a bag of new jumping gates, but do we? They flex a new style for a short while, cause the skills are freestyle. We got them by the plug. God gave me the strength to flow, to put you on trial like Tyson. I slam your ass back to the P now, so don't take a rest. Request, otherwise 6 feet deep you'll rest without peace, cause peace a mother F. Oh yeah, that bitch who said that I lie when she's a goddamn lie.
That's a goddamn lie.
We make you lose your sense, non comprendo. The real social maniacs, so now you know. Social maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
Social maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
Social maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
Social maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to argue with the few tracks.
Quiet, don't you wake up the panther.
It's already done, sucker, run for protection.
direction. It's like Mad Max and when he's in action. Hard like body count, so I push bodies in midsections. Slang with your poet, this is what you reap with me exposing. Mentally dark alley music's not velvet the poet. Some say, hey yo, it's Friday night, there's nothing funny. Some collect the dough, still with evil, zag and narrow. So check out the way me flex, me rock microphone without stress. Discipline myself like the S1, who's next? Don't think it's you, cause nigga, I think it's no delay.
You goddamn right, B.
I strike like you repeat. Newton, tech, 9 ways a ton, so easy on one. Ghetto Child, so Maniac, say,
oh,
give me two,
ho, ho,
demo go back throw.
Maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to help you with the few
So Maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to help you with the few
So Maniac for ya.
We're gonna have to help you with the few
So Maniac for ya.
We're gonna
check it out. The system's ripping from the damage that we're dropping. No joke, genuine, yeah. B-boy sounds bumping. Hardcore smoking on your stereo cassette deck. When I the track, get back, don't make the wrong set.
Forming like devils, leaving suckers off schedule. They try to catch up, but that's goddamn traumatic.
People going insane while we playing the demo. Know the ledge, yeah, put it in your memo.
An earthquake does less than the things that I do. When I whisper my words, it's like I'm
hypnotizing you.
No joke of strategies that are part of my wisdom. We strike like magic and disappear like magicians.
With my niggas in the back, I make an army with a full back. 1,001 fists, a fork and you get what you get. A 9 or a 10 man, it doesn't matter. I put you out cause I don't like the flatter.
The two-man power, signing off cause we're done.
And there ain't no sunshine
when we're gone, so don't even think about putting up a rhyme fight.
Cause giving us the mic is like giving us dynamite.
Now that's the shit, that means that we're finished with you and your goddamn crew.
So Maniac, for all your soft new jack, I'm gonna have to hold you. So Maniac, for ya, we're gonna have to hold you. So Maniac, for ya. Your niggas crazy, your niggas are crazy. So Maniac, for ya. Let's begin by all together.
So the last niggas
for ya. Dog B-boys in the motherfucker out. Peace goes out to my niggas from up north side, you know what I'm saying? Crazy shout outs to my nigga Mystery, funkin' us. Yo, Ski, the power no D-boys, you know what I'm saying? Come and catch ya like a butchaka, cha-cha, de cha-cha. Check it out.
A song for you.
Help on this way, stop, keep it up, stop. No, I won't, no, I don't stop. Funk and make ya, funk and break ya. Parasites got no rights when it comes to rockin' my eyes. My voice ride like the vibe was driving on gravel. My comments are quotable. Prepared a pre-script, preschool can read. See, salvation ain't free. Nowadays, even the sun comes up with a 10% royalty cut. In myself I believe, and in God I trust. Now off the record, all it takes to start a revolution is 2 records. For example, take 2 Throwback, spin to repeat that instrumental. Step out of it, kid, knee deep and still sinking. I guess I wasn't thinking. I am relieved that the nicotine record will be released. The hull and tunnel, the light at the end, in my hand. My pre-selector switches locating on groundswell of lyrical interference. Mesmerized by my appearance. On my nature trail I follow my feet straight through wilderness, jungle, fever, all through the night. Who need a band when the beats go like? Switch your brain, baby, lady, leave. Love you all the way down deep beneath. But take a look at my curriculum. If it's me you don't believe, I spray my name, make graffiti. Krylon, I boom that parts out that nylon.
Step out of it, you need to step out of it. This rap shit is what they used to tell me, but you're fucking. Cause we ain't going out like a loser, baby. Stay true to ourselves and how we pull on naked. No fake shit, cause I like to ball, like go dirty. No gimmicks when I kick it, cause that bullshit don't concern me. You strictly hard and double A funk for your drunk in our trunks. The punch with the figures. I don't beg your pardon, cause I don't have no regrets for some things I might have said or somebody I have offended at rap parties. And my excuse wasn't too many Bugattis, just nowadays I see too many rap without qualities. The quantity's so scary that it haunts me. I need to step out of it, but I can't endorse me. Some say I overreact, but the way that some MCs act, no respect. Just doing it for that money, make it easy. It squeeze it makes them all drool and wheezy. Now nicotine is here ready to play it like Pachisi. And cause I'm known to play hardcore. I can stop it or continue when I want, like a Ouija board. So 1 to the 2 to the 3, here comes the K to the I to the you know what D. A lot of rappers hate me, but to me they ain't shit, cause those rappers come on fake the Pamela Anderson stitch. Fuck that bitch. 4, 5, 6, I never count down. Kid Precious in the house with the poodle making sounds in your area, coming in a scary way. So yo, step to nicotine, you're going down like Mary J. But rappers were warned before they step to this. Don't you try this at home, you can't rap to this. They wouldn't listen, now they're screaming shit. I can't do it, I told your ass, now step out of it.
Step out of it, you need to step out of it. This rap shit is what they used to tell me, but you're fucking.
Cause we ain't going out like a loser, baby. Stay true to ourselves and now we're poodle naked.
No fake shit, cause I like it raw like old dirty.
No gimmicks when I kick it, cause that bullshit don't concern me.
Just strictly Harlem double A funk for the drunk in that trunk. And pops you in the fig, get stumped.
Got your copy in the addictive to the addict, getting scripted up these common grounds. We lift levels for you to beat the next.
No Yankee boy complex, but still the moving is persuasive. Call it chutney. We elevate the flavor that you're tasting. Creates a fabrication, multiplies the penetration of wax. Let the track set the pace, connect the circulate, preventing loose ends. These parallel minds form the torture tree kind. Define these thoughts as I design, assign descriptions over rhythms. The crowd assimilates the antiseptic, defeat the epidemic, no surrender. Step out of it, kid, cause your illusions got you living it without seeing the real. That's why I'm giving it.
Step out of it, you need to step out of it. This rap shit is what they used to tell me, but yo, fuck it. Cause we ain't going out like a loser, baby. Stay true to ourselves and now we're poodle naked. No fake shit, cause I like it raw like old dirty. No gimmicks when I kick it, cause that bullshit don't concern me. Just strictly Harlem double A funk for the drunk in our trunks. And punks who interfere, get stumped.
Punks who interfere, get stumped. This is what you want, this is what you need to know, this is what you like.
I'm back again on the streets, cause mama showed me the door. I need shoes for my feet, my ass can't stay no more. Mass quest got me flipping, although I know I must hold on. I'm at the edge of slipping, for the shit that's going on. It's the same old song the devil's playing in my ear. My head is pumping, mama and I are having a fight. Now she wants me to disappear. Jumping, flashback to the times I remember, when the stress is building up again and again round December. Just got back in, now I'm already packing. Is this all cause of the dishes I'm lacking? It's black in the mind when I'm searching for my clothes to get my act together. To prepare for warfare, discussing versus the weather. 1 minute I disagree on whatever, the next one I'm homeless. Moving on again before I even notice. Though this meaning I'm feeding for something to eat, I settle for less, blessed for my stomach is a mess. I'm in need of a roof over the head in the bed if possible. No permanent stay, just a day or two like in a hospital. Critical seems the situation I'm in, like there's no outcome unless there's income. For one thing, so from one thing into another, shit is effective. It's been on for years, my brother, to me it's all expected. Moving on from door to door, floor to floor and more. I'm a poor lonesome loud boy, a long day from home. I'm moving on, I'm moving on, I'm moving on and on and yo, I'm moving on, just moving on. Stress on my chest won't let me rest now. I'm moving on like there's a train to catch. See me constantly going with weight on my shoulder. I'm 2 years older in the match still. Seem like you'll never stop, like a never-ending story. Now my glory depends on the chances for me to drop. Until I'm blessed with both mental and physical rest. I'm on a quest, searching for a place with well. Ring goes the bell, oh hell it's Steve again. Just by the look on my face you can tell mama threw me out again. First thing is the question why my lord when I look up. Second, I'm like last in a solo trip on a hobo tip. The where's my hook up for the night, just for a couple hours. I'ma wake up sometime, hit a shower. To be out, 5,000 miles every stepping, with no exact destination. Always on the run like I'm a refugee, but I'm still rapping. Cause my voice is my choice, ouch. There may be some leftovers, I'm sleeping on your couch. Trouble with my back when the heavy sack goes along with it. I did it, I'm guilty of charge, now slam the hammer for the road when I hit it. Now the devil's testing me, I'm a destiny, but he ain't getting me, you get it? Y'all move and let me hit it. I'm moving on, I'm moving on, I'm moving on and on and yo, I'm moving on, just moving on. A poor lonesome loud boy, a long day from home.
Tell me, how long must the song continue? I know you witnessed my struggles in life through the wilderness. I've been through many doors and many floors, in and out, with no spot of my own, a place where I can dwell. But hell, none of that, I'm always on the move. 22 years old now, the time I wrote this shit down. I quote, February 5th, 9/6, then the one at noon. God knows I need room and a warm coat. The weather, the cold day, and each day is getting colder. Until I find a solution for the burden on my shoulder. In a few hours, I'm 1 year older. I got them flashbacks again. Going back in time like I'm checking pictures when I sing. Emotions that fly like Ebenezer. With my ass at a street corner. His mama dissed me again, cause again I didn't please her.
What? Get out of my house! Pack your bags!
Hey, that day I never forget. It's fucking freezing. The rain is teasing. So the stress on my chest ain't easing. Increasingly become the urge to dream. As I lived that day in bitterness, I got stuck between walls of a bad dream. Entered this store into a house that just rented. Threw my shit on the living room floor. I couldn't speak no more. Just my eyes go round. See me searching for a power source to feed my system energy for me to energize my sound. I found a plus spot where I got to cool my mattress. To lay my head down and rest, as it contains my stress. Deep covered by sheets and blankets, with a stove that is missing. I listen, I hear them cold breezes. Pull my hands together while it freezes. Now I'm calling for Jesus, praying he changed the weather for the better. No TV, no proper food, but the stomach is connected to my nerves, as it serves hell to my mood. Just me and my lyrics, beats and God is my witness. Show me the way, all the way, I can't stay, now let me hit it.
Moving on, I'm moving on, I'm moving on, and I'm out.
Provocation, aggravation is what my head catches. Backstabbing the backs of the back scratches. It used to be scratch my back and I scratch yours. If the lady wants to step in, you open the doors. Nowadays females walking by males only see punani. On 90 hungry skeezers need to kiss my black honey. In reality, to your eyes is where you won't find me. If you notice me on the street, your best spares by me. I walk my own floors, there's no time to get on yours. I'm out there getting mine, I keep what I find. What's mine is mine. This is what you want, this is what you need to hear. This is what you like, this is what to do, this is what you need to know, this is what you get, yeah. This is what you want, this is what you need to hear, this is what you like, this is what to do, this is what you need to know, this is what you get, yeah. This is how it be, can take the nasty out of me, no goody two shoes, never aim to lose. Far from a beginner, original head spin, the name is Emperors. Pressure is do never stop, anticipate. If it's really true, one look into in the mirror to consider. I ain't got shit to prove, my skills hot like fire. Blow up, bringing down the roof top. You want hip hop, hardcore, I'll give you more. I flip it like that, I flip it like this. When I finish, the mic smoke, the speakers, they hit satisfying everyone. I needed to proceed indeed with what I need. My brain does the formulary, eyes visionary. Of course, my mouth is very necessary. Lyrics I produce far from ordinary, quite contrary. If you hear me, understand me, when I command me, demand me to dance with me. This is what you want, this is what you need to hear, this is what you like, this is what to do, this is what you need to know, this is what you get, yeah. This is what you want, this is what you need to hear, this is what you like, this is what to do, this is what you need to know, this is what you get, yeah. What you wanna hear, that everything is fine, but just like all y'all, got money on my mind. Learn and observe as time goes by. I see people, they all want a piece of the pie. So why shouldn't I try to satisfy my need to indeed have supply of pie? Now everybody's on my tip trying to get mine, cause I got what you want, I got what you need, I got what you like. Black beautiful intelligence controlling the mic. This is what you want, this is what you need to hear, this is what you like. This is what to do, this is what you need to know, this is what you get. Yeah.
is what to do.
Isolated in my own will, I dwell like a zombie. Lost in my mind, try to find my way back, but I don't know where to turn. It's like the devil got me trapped. No matter how I struggle, kid, I keep falling back. But however, yo, it's a must that I eat. That's why I'm back in heat on the street and take what I need. Yeah, crime based, but it's still hard to earn. When I'm gone, my girl toss and turn and pray for my return. Get moves and never fake, son. Cause since money ain't falling from the sky, I gotta make some. And if not, I take some. By all means, taking up drug dealers for greens with the rest of the money fiends. I'm rolling thick with a Suriname click, setting up fake gangsters on the red light district. We moving quicker than your reflexes, rolling in Jiffy jeans, Gucci sweaters and Nike Air Maxes. Operating deep on the Reebok street, yeah, my crew and I was like do or die. Selling on the blocks with our mouth full of rocks and them babes in our socks. Stand by for undercover cops, cause we all had a certain dream. Till the green took away the love in our team. So it seemed I had no real true friend. Niggas started acting mad strange when I sold another 2 gram. Your people change, kid, but money gets involved. They're getting jealous at you and talk behind your back too. That's why I roll alone and go out for wealth. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. You ever been in that situation? You're going out to get some fresh air and smoke away your frustration. Puffing weed till your throat is sore. Run to lead the streets behind, but there's nothing else to look out for. Yeah, I'm stuck, I ain't no welfare. Never finished school, I try to make a living with my tool. I kick some rhymes now and then. Niggas scream, you the man, till my juice expand. The low for gangster damn. So I got biz with some peeps. I thank God for the funk, cause it get me off the streets. The hard struggle and all the trouble that goes along. Instead of bust caps, I bust raps till the crack of dawn. Chilling with my whole crew in the southeast, kicking rounds back to back, smoking trees with my homies. We did some shows and clocked mad respect, but instead of holding on, all my peeps were holding back. Yeah, my niggas rather got high and acted funny, but we all know still nothing moved but the money. So I invested my babes and breast tapes to get my name all around throughout the underground. Now I'm back on the block, but this time without drugs, selling my demos to all my fans and thugs. Now I'm the rumor on the streets, the flyers on the wall. But kid, before I knew I had struggles with my crew, they talking mad shit and started acting strange. So I left my home, so now I maintain with microphones. It's never safe and you think it is. Yeah, somehow the rap game reminds me of the crack game. Cause people change, kid, but money gets involved. They're getting jealous at you and talk behind your back too. That's why I roll alone and go out for wealth. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Homie or not, if you're front you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if you're front you get yeah, yo monkey ass niggas who be talking mad shit behind my back. When you see me, bring it on. If not, pass me by and be a sucker forever, motherfuckers. Homie or not, if your friend you get shot. Niggas always talk shit but they never step up. Yeah, homie or not, if your friend you get shot. Yo, it's God for all and every nigga for himself. Hurricane, QF, Triple X, Gangsta Dead, representing to the fullest.
wise contestant, but the record is over here. The number is over there. The lyrics are right. Said I be here everywhere. So bust, so rush, and dust is left. It won't be easy to pass by or even take a step. So listen careful through this part of my rap in the summer. I'm not a 74, chaos was right in the grasp of his body being formed from that moment, standing in the burning sun, fighting every day till my fingers got numb, rolling to the woods on my hands and my knees, no recognition did I ever receive. I'm not a new man, but neither am I old. I'm not a rich man, but I cannot be sold. I had no fucking science, but my head is not bold. It's coming straight from the heart and the soul. Taking up the chaos away. Taking up the chaos away. My creation is from my education for suckers. Call it terror vision when I enter an area. It shows the hysteria, so I'd be glad to sing. That's why I take my carrier care, you must say. When darkness time break, a lightning, a flash, actions and tailors and keep walking, talking, electrical shocking, hopping, popping, rocking and clocking. Yo, it's a question, a simple suggestion, not even reaction, so pay your attention. Who's the one whose force is so strong? No shit, no bull, you can't think wrong. Your enemy suckers, you big fat bluffers, but he's still deaf, you can't be tougher than who you?
Kiss my ass.
And if you don't like it, beat it fast, cause it's my first one, and I sing it with a pride. And if you don't like it, you ought to hide for the pain that it's gonna give you. With other words, I'm so hard that I hurt. Taking up the chaos away. Taking up the chaos away. Taking up the chaos away. Born on October, very shy as a child. Made my family weary, cause I'm sure I was very wild. My friend were never sure if they could rely on anything I said. No one found that the girl I fought so much for their heads. Right. What a sign, forever changing the mind, yo. Time to time, since that a change will be the outcome. Can you take me where I wanna go? Can you show me things that I wanna know? Over the universe, I look what's behind. Another scene to play, another truth to find. Total chaos, and you don't stop. And to the break of dawn, and you don't quit. But it is hip-hop and a rap shit. So get it on.
Yo, it's the roller rock with some old stuff in a new jacket, 92 to 95. I'm like the Voyager 1, so catch me rapping down Pluto. My mic's a satellite, same time I'm down in Tokyo. It's the brother who be popping lollipoppers, stopping short stoppers. I got the feeling that I'm beyond a stupid ass rapper who claims he's all that. Make G's up for happy raps, the hell with that. The next one I ain't to go out cause I'm born to last. I'm coming up for Holland cause I heard so many trash. It's the roller rock, so don't try to mock about the man who's known for putting chumps up in the headlock, not the foot lock. See, I ain't selling sneakers, I got bass said, but it's to blow your speakers, make people twist and shout and do the foxtrot. Fiending for the rhymes like they were crack rocks. I ain't the wannabe, so who I'm gonna be? Having some men and non-believers trying to change me, rearrange me. Yo, the hell with that shit, cause I ain't selling out. I got B to back me up. My boys got the clout. Helping each other like you know we oughta. Collaborating on the funk, I'm the tree, he's the water. A drill a load of rhymes, drill a load of honeys. Having no seducing guys and taking all their money. See, when it comes to coke with this type of dope, I get heavy and rap with respect without stress. Shy roller rocker, no stress, no stress. My homie must be no stress, no stress. My brother Mr. Miffin, no stress, no stress. Until my homie get fresh, no stress. Lady Empress, no stress, no stress. DJ Precise, no stress, no stress. Cutting things nice, no stress, no stress. Lord, take the blessings of my words I manifest. So pop the pop switch and change the pitch and equalize your level to give your sound some treble, yo. Remember rhymes like this, so put them in your memorizer. Once you realize it ain't about the ship size, it's the motion of the ocean flowing in troubled waters, causing a commotion. Roll with the rock, coming down like Mr. Avalanche in any circumstance. So best run while you still got the chance, leaving your bimbo doing the dirty dance. Once I put her on my lap, my baby, yo, ain't mind the gap. Cause once you're on the deals, Nick, there's really nothing to worry about until them germs drop out of your mouth. Letting honeys know what I'm all about. Yeah, letting girlies know I got some clouts. Now hold up, wait a minute, my words ain't kinda stiff. Yo, B, bring back the chorus and the rip. Cause I roll a rocker, no stress, no stress. My homie must be no stress, no stress. Director down massive, no stress, no stress. Into the Amsterdam posse, no stress.
Now who is he with the beats
to her delivery, the MEL kick because of crazy mad misery. Skip a loop plus Sebastian Dill. Now still Mel can get ill, yo, it's time to show skill. I represent for all my peeps and all my folks. Brothers wanna test me, but yo, I'm 2 times dope. Others couldn't handle my weight, they couldn't handle my rhymes. They got 8 while the Mellers got 9. I stop stress with the organism. I flow, I mash toes, that's why I'm Mr. Myth.
Sing songs, play the world, the soundtrack of my life. Many times I escaped the hands of death. How the 30 only me and my 2 men is left. Take a deep breath, but not looking back. Amsterdam crime on tour, yelling with Brooklyn at. Folks helping me getting back on my feet, and I be the same reason boogie back in the heat. In the hood, nothing sweet, jealousy runs deep. Nobody play that position, niggas talk but don't listen. A lot of ambition, no direction, no decision. So every mission stays fiction through the eyes of backs of ism. Cats philosophize, justify the wrong steps. Hating on everything that grows, keeping a long breath. The lonely struggle, misery brought me company. Strangers to my vision, thank God they all became one of me. Thankful. I'm so thankful. Yeah. Thankful. I'm so thankful. Yeah. Listen, thankful. God has answered my prayers. There's been a major change in my life, walking the stairs. Thankful. I live to see my seeds grow. Got them through life school. I'm on the flip side of the street show. Thankful for tunes letting my voice cry. Bring beats to life, kill them at the same time. Thankful for knowing who I am, where I'm from. Know where I'm going with God's breath in my lungs. From the pipe south side to the east with Jay stay. Killing skills, bang, make them rest look all gay. Link up with Germany, port format, exchange files. Now we import raw rap. Supply to DJs and radios online. Listeners fall blind to my style, I call mine. Coming where I'm coming from and been to. I'm thankful the city, look at boogie, still got it in you. Thankful. I'm so thankful. Yeah. Thankful. I'm so thankful. That's a lot of things around me that's going on right now. Still, I don't feel like bringing it up, 'cause that sounds familiar to me.
No, give me the sound clown. Better pack up your things and one. Right now for your veteran that hand on by the business. Old school sound boy daddies. You understand so you say see it, ya. Original pioneers by the dawn. Old veteran. Step aside. Give me the sound.
Gotta give it up, black man soul, gotta big it up. I ain't gonna lie, keep it strong, never switch it up. Lines here to pick 'em up, drain all the sewers. Hack our computers cause they give nothing to us. Here to speak to the rulers. Money makes the world turn. Gotta stack it up fast before we make your world burn. Fuck regulations. We need reparation on a big scale. And after that we start conversation. Nothing more, nothing less. Here to fight for equality. Raw in the flesh. Stop the press cause they bother me. Modesty is gone. Now we tell it like it is. Keep the suffering abroad while you walking on that bridge.
Long time we for do it, come up with teach them again. Some blood sucking vampire try for leech it again. And then say it's too black and try for bleach it again. Too afraid to hear the lion roar. Panaya ground we have to reach there again. Place fire on the fungus and I clean it again. Cause if it's not be the load then some I leave it again. Too afraid to hear the lion roar.
Yo, salam alaikum, dear brother. Listen, if you and I share the same enemy, but we don't unify, all they gon' do is divide us, then conquer and see for more. Play both sides with lies till we believe in war. Weaken our spirit through food by pork and such. Lose touch with our roots, have us talking Dutch. Twist facts in books and stealing our knowledge. Program misguide our seeds in college. Trying to trap us, corrupt cops, coffers and clappers. If black lives matters, bust shots at the oppressors. The revolution has started in the back street. Wait till my OG step out the mess, G.
Long time we for do it, come up with teach them again. Some blood sucking vampire try for leech it again. And then say it's too black and try for bleach it again. Too afraid to hear the lion roar. Panaya ground we have to reach there again. Place fire on the fungus and I clean it again. Cause if it's not be the load then some I leave it again. Too afraid to hear the lion roar. Do it, come make we teach them again. Some blood sucking vampire try for leech it again. And then say they too black and try for bleach it again. Too afraid to hear the lion roar. Panaya ground we have to reach there again. Place fire